Hi, I'm going to help you. How can you order from asunlocker.com, and how can you find your service in my web? Our many customer said that he cannot find the proper service and he cannot order properly. So I'm going to help you. How can you find the service and you can order very easily. So this video has been made only for my user who cannot submit order. So first of all, you have to find create account from register, then login. Click the login and type here your username, password, login. Here you can see the order now. You have to select the order now. Not many product and service. Many user go to and select the product and service. No, you have to select the order now. First of all, click in here order now. If you want to buy any IME service, so select the IME service. If you want to active any box dongle or buy or want to buy credit, so you have to select the server service. Such as I am going to help you like this. You can see the choose. First click here and type here your service name, then you can see the service name, service here, such as a Z3X credit or activation. So type Z3X. You can see here all Z3X service. If you want to buy chimeratool credit, so type chimera. You can see the all chimera service here. If you want to octopus service, so type here octopus. You can see the all octopus service and price here. You can see the time also in here. Here time you can see the this will take the service instant to 10 minutes up to. If you need any other service, you can see the here also miracle, all miracle service here. If you want to activation cm2, then type the here cm2 infinity Chinese miracle 2, infinity Chinese miracle 2. You can see the infinity all service here. Here you can see the infinity Chinese miracle 2, 1 year support, 2 year support, all you can see here. Best dongle activation cm2 renew. It is the cm2 renew service 1 year and 2 year. You can see here. Next I'm going to show you the IME service. Select the IME service. Type here if you want to check your carrier or your phone, so type here carrier. You can see here the carrier check service. It is only and send only. It will take 10 minutes up to 5 to 10 minutes. It will show you the example. You can hear your order displayed as like this: phone model, IME, serial, find my phone on or off, and carrier log. It is the your carrier name. You can see in this order, and SIM log status. You can see also phone is locked or unlocked. After order here, type here your IME. Your IME last digit will be displayed in here automatically. No need to type the last digit. If this digit match here, so you in with your IME, so you it's correct. If you can see that doesn't match, so your IME you have typed wrong anyhow. Here you also find the any unlocking service, iCloud service, carrier unlock service, motorola unlock service. You can see HUAWEI FTP service, Samsung FTP and reactivation service. You can see here also we have a lot of service you can find from here. iCloud on of check service you can find also. iCloud clean lost, you can see here only 0.07 cent, 0.07 on of check, 0.03 cent only. You can see here. If you want to unlock the USA carrier, AT&T or T-Mobile or any, just type here T-mobile. You can see here T-Mobile USA, T-Mobile USA here, UK here, T-Mobile or Metro PCS iPhone X. You can see here T-Mobile UK or Orange, T-Mobile Orange, any carrier or T-Mobile or Orange UK. You can buy this service to unlock your iPhone. You can see here service name, brand, model name. You can see here all. Then if you want to unlock T-Mobile USA, your phone is 7 or 7 plus, so select this service. Your phone is 8 or 8 plus, select this service. Your phone is X, then select this service. You want to unlock Canadian service, so type here Canada. You can see here Canadian service, Rogar, Speedo, Telos, Kodo, every service you can see here. Bell, Verizon, Solo Mobile. Generic means you will get from here unlock code only. Generic means remember it, it means the unlock code only. If you submit here your phone, then you will get the unlock code to unlock your phone. If your phone is iPhone, then select this service or other service where you can see the iPhone related. You can see here only generic means remember it. I am remember you again. Generic means only unlock code service. You can buy here on the unlock code service from generic service. So I hope it will be helpful to buy any service from me, and you can select a service very easily, such as you can see here Motorola service. Totally it is the depend on a flazy hub. You can see here the video tutorial also. You can, if you need to need any others help, so you can see the video tutorial from our many service. uh, so it will be helpful for you, and also for others. Thanks for buying our service. Thanks a lot. We can change your price, remember it, we can change your price with a special price. So get special price, must contact with us via Fiverr or WhatsApp or any others way. You can find our WhatsApp number in here. If you go to home, here you can see our WhatsApp number. Mail, you can mail also us. And you can go back to your account again, my account, click here. Thanks for stay with us, and thanks a lot for using our service.